Hello everyone, welcome to my third tutorial of graphical programming in Java. We'll see how to add JLabel to the JFrame that we have created. First, we need to open Notepad++. It's Windows operating system, and type our code. Let's name the class graphic1 graphic1. And the main method, and save the file graphic1 . Let's save this in desktop. So first we need to create a JFrame. We need to import JFrame. A JFrame is created. To give a title to your frame, the title should be enclosed within the double quotes. Let's say the title is graphics, and set your size to 500 and 500. So jf.set default close operation jframe.exit on close. This command tells the computer to terminate the program as soon as the user clicks the close button. And make the frame visible to the user. jf.set visible true. Now we have created a JFrame, set its size as 500 on the x-axis and 500 on the y-axis. We have told the computer to terminate the program as soon as the user clicks the close button, and we have set the frame visible to the user. Now next we need to add the JLabel, for which we need to import the JLabel first. And the JLabel is packaged in javax.swing package. To create a JLabel, we type JLabel variable is equal to new JLabel, and let the JLabel be named as graphical programming in Java. Now we have created a JLabel JL, and the JLabel contains graphical programming in Java. But this is not displayed when we run the program because JL is not added to the JFrame. In order to add JLabel to the JFrame, we have a command called jf.add JL. This will add JL to the JFrame that we have created, and it will display graphical programming in Java. Now we need to save this file And after saving the file, we need to execute this program in CMD or command prompt in Windows. So first we'll open command prompt, and we should make the computer understand the meaning of Java C and Java commands in order to execute and compile the programs. So we need to open File Explorer, local disk, program files. Just go to the folder where you have installed JDK or Java Development Kit and click the JDK folder. There's a folder called bin in that, and copy this address, go to command prompt and type set path is equal to, and paste this address within double quotes and click enter. Now we need to change directory to desktop, as our main class is present in desktop. And now compile graphic 1. The compilation is successful. There are no errors. Now run graphic 1. As we can see here, a JFrame is created with its title graphics, and a JLabel is created graphical programming in Java. And as soon as we click the close button, the desktop directory is returned. So we can just change the string instead of graphical programming in Java. Let's try something different. Say laptop, PC, and instead of graphics, we'll try learning GUI. Now save the file, open command prompt. Now we need to compile the code again, as we have changed the code in graphic 1. So compile the code again using Java C graphic1.java, that is the main class with its extension, and click enter. No errors. So run the code. You can see the JFrame is created with its title learning GUI and a JLabel laptop PC. So this is how we add a JLabel or a JButton or many other components to the frame.